press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello children, how are you? I hope that all are doing good. So today I am here with you to teach poem. So name of the poem is Class Discussion. So class discussion, it is not a new thing to you, is it? When you are in class, when you are with your teachers, you discuss something about some topics regarding subjects, is it? Like social, science, English, then maths, then Hindi, okay? There are something and there are other things also, not only the subjects, even the other things also you are discussing with your teacher, is it? So today we are going to understand that how the class discussion is with the teacher and also students, okay? It's one of a quite interesting thing when we are in class, when you people are also there in our class, so it is very quite enjoyable, is it? So here also this class discussion is also enjoyable, but there is a girl which she doesn't feels that to discuss about some topic, okay? So let's say about that girl, who is that girl and how the class discussion is, okay? So this is the poem, okay? So I am going to read it first, so then I am just going to be explaining, okay? So let's see here. Okay, so before I am going to read it, I just forgot to say about the poet introduction. So here this poem has written by Jervis Finn. Okay, so Jervis Finn, he was born on 27 December 1946, Rotherham, England. Okay, and he is an English author and also educator. And here there are some of the works of Jervis Finn. So what are the works are? Over Hill and Dale and In the Heart of Dell. Okay, so these are the works of Jervis Finn. Okay, so let's see about the poem here. In the class discussion, Jane, you hardly said a word. We all aired our opinions, but from you we barely heard. You sat and stayed in silence, surrounded by the chatter. Now tell me, Jane, and please be plain, is there anything the matter? Jane looked up and then she spoke. Her voice was clear and low. There are many people in this world who are rather quiet, you know. See what the beautiful poem it is. So here a teacher is asking to Jane when she is in a class discussion with the students. So she found out there is a girl called Jane. So she is not saying anything in the class. She simply sit quiet. You know, there are so many other students, they are not interested to discuss with the topic, with the teachers. They can't mingle with it, is it? So here also, this poem is about a Jane, and the teacher asks here to Jane, so why you are sitting like this? Is it? So let's read here line by line. In the class discussion, Jane, you hardly said a word. So this line, it was said by the teacher. Okay. So in the class discussion, here there is a class discussion going on. So you Jane. Okay. So the teacher, she is saying the name here. The name of the girl is Jane. You hardly said a word. You have not spoken a single word. Okay, we all aired our opinions. All aired means, so how many students they were sitting, everyone discussed about their opinions. They were exchanging their opinions, okay, with one another, but from you have barely heard. From you, we have not heard a single word. So who said this? Teacher said this to Jane. You sat and stayed in silence, surrounded by the chatter. You know, you are sitting with your friends. Okay, so you sat and stared, you stayed in silence, you are in a silence, and where you are sitting, you are surrounded by the chatter. The friends of yours who are sitting surrounding to you, they all are talking, they are talkative, but you are not, you are sitting silent and you are staring at them. Okay, now tell me, Jane. So now teacher is asking to Jane, now tell me, Jane, and please be plain. Please be plain means it's clear. Be clear. Okay? Is there anything matter? Do you have any problem? It means, do you have any problem? Is there any matter to you? Is something is bothering to you? Okay? So who asked this? Teacher asked question to Jane. Now Jane, so what she says to the teacher is, the answer is here in the second paragraph. Jane looked up and then she spoke. So when the teacher has said like this, so suddenly the Jane looked up to the teacher and she said, and she spoke. Her voice was clear and low. So her voice is also clear. She is very confident about what she is saying, and it is in low sound. Okay, the low voice. There are many people in this world who are rather quiet, you know. See what a beautiful sentence she said. There are so many other people in the world. So they wanted to be quiet, she said. You know that teacher? Her nature is very quiet. She doesn't like to speak somebody. Okay, so she always remain in silent. There are so many other students who are sitting like this, is it, in your class, and then the teacher asks why you are like this, why you are not saying, and some of the students, they are talking, they are chatterbox, they are very talkative, they can't stop their talking. But some students, they are sitting, they are in their own world, and they are like to sit quiet, and they not like to talk more and more, and even in the class discussion also. So here in this poem, Jane, her quality, her nature is to be quiet, to be silent, and she is interested to listen others. Okay, so she is interested to listen others what they says, but she wanted to be silent. Okay, so this is the poem here. I hope that you all are understood this poem, how interesting it was. It is very small poem and it is very interesting, and you all are familiar with your class discussion with your teacher, is it? So when you are reading and when you are hearing this explanation, just imagine your class, your friends, what you will do in your class when you are having a class discussion, and what the teacher says when you talk more. And when some students who do not talk more, so how the teacher react, you just imagine all those things, is it? So this is about the poem. And let's move to the next thing, that is some of the question answers and also some of the new words. Okay, so here we have some of the new words here, just write down in your notes. Okay, so what the new words we have today in today's class, that is discussion. So what is the meaning of discussion? Talking together. Okay, talking together in a group or on a single topic. Okay, it's either based on the subject, the topic is based on subject related, or it is maybe out of the subject. It means general topic. Okay, so it is general topic. It's based on something which is work. Teacher is giving work to the students. Okay, there are some activities, there are some projects. Okay, so that is based on the particular topic. So there is a talking together. Okay, so this is called aid means make public. Okay, so when we say something in a publicly means when the other people were sitting, so we can say it as a aired. Okay, barely, only just, barely means only just. Then stare, look fixedly with eyes wide open. okay, looking continuously, fixedly, with the eyes were wide open, okay. So like this. Plain means clear, okay. Plain means clear. So here there are some of the questions. Let's try to find out the answer from the poem. What activity was going on in the class? So in this poem, what kind of activity is going on in the class? A discussion, okay. A discussion was going on in the class. This is your answer. Who was a quiet on in the class? So tell me the answer. Okay, you just find out answer here for this question. So who was the quiet one in the class? Yes, the answer is Jane, okay. Why was she quiet? So why she was sitting quiet there? Here the options are: she was afraid to air her opinions, she hated the noise, she didn't like the activity, she was quiet by nature, okay. So the right answer for this is she is quiet in nature, okay. So her nature is she wanted to remain silent, so she is quiet. This is the answer. How do you interact in class during the discussions? Do you participate or remain quiet? Okay. So sometimes this is purely your opinion here. Sometimes you just wanted to speak less, okay, and sometimes when you had a lot of energy and when you have interested on particular topic, so your energy is very higher, is it? So you are not sitting quiet in class discussion. So you can write your own sentence for this, okay. Sometimes what you will do, some students they wanted to remain silent like Jane, and some students they wanted to talk more. They are interested to participate in the class discussion, okay. So this is, and now think and write. So what does this mean? Let's see here. Choose two friends in your class who are very different from each other. So purely it is your activity here, okay. So your work, you have to do it here. Use the clues in the box to describe their nature. You may also add your own words to describe them, okay. Here there are some of the words given, which is the qualities, okay, the qualities of the two friends. And if you want to add some of the other words which you prefer that qualities is suitable for your friends, so there you can add that words, okay. Okay, you can choose your friend's name in your class. Either they are more talkative or they are silent. The two students, so write their qualities, okay. The qualities, it's purely different, okay. They were not same. The quality should not same, okay. So just find out the two students, like two friends from your class, and just write down this, complete this main. Then let's talk. So let's talk means let's get some information, okay. What is that? What is a discussion? So here question has asked to us. So what is the discussion? Answer is also given here. To discuss means to talk together or decide something. So discussion, it means to decide or to talk together, okay. Talk together or we are deciding for something. So that is called discussion, okay. Then when you do this, you are taking part in a discussion. So when you are involving yourself for talking or you take some decision in a group, you just outlet your opinions, okay. So that means you are in that part of the discussion, okay. This is, and now read the sentences below. They tell us what happens in a discussion. Here some of the sentences given that what is happening in a discussion, okay. So what it is, in a discussion each person gives his ideas one by one, okay. So now you are getting information more and more about what is the what is the class discussion and what is called discussion here, and which are the important points to undertake when you are discussing about some topic, okay. So that here you are giving your own ideas, okay. So your opinions one by one. Some tell why something should be done and others may tell how, okay. So some means some who are in that group, some says that what they are going to do and what should we do. Okay. Participants ask questions and answers them. So participants means who are in that part, who are in that group discussions. So they ask the questions and they get the answers. Okay. Many ideas are given. Everyone helps to decide which ideas are the best. So they were discussed so many topics. So there the people means the participants, they just give their own ideas and later they decided which idea is the best for their activity or for their any like any programs or any functions. Okay, so which is the best idea for that, suitable for that, so they just choose it. Okay, with this. And now note the points you might discuss before planning a visit to the park. Okay, here there is an activity given here for you. Okay, so what you will do is when you go for a park, so you have to discuss something, means the planning. It's a planning discussion. Okay, when you visit there to the park, so what the things you have to do there. Okay, so here choose a day and time, what things to bring to play, assign duties, things to eat. Okay, so what this activity you are doing with your teacher. Okay, so what you will do is you just decide the day and the time when you are visit to the park, and there what the activities you are doing, you are playing, what kind of a games you are playing and what the things you are doing there. And the later is assigning duties. The teacher says to you, so who is the responsible to look everyone. Okay, and who is taking the responsibility of all the things there. Okay, then at the last, and which are the things you just bring for a eat. Okay, this is, and let's see here the last one. Fill in the grid given below by assigning qualities to each person. Some clues are given here to help you. Okay, so here the box has given, the columns also given, and there are some qualities also given, and the name of the person, person or students has given here. Students are given here. So what you will do is the clues also given. According to the clue, you need to mark which kind of a quality that student has. Okay. Sangeeta lends a pencil to her partner. You know where is Sangeeta? So we will look here. So what kind of a quality she had here? Sangeeta lends a pencil to her partner. Okay. So brave, naughty, quiet, talkative, generous and studious. So generous. So she is helping nature. Okay. She helps to her friend, to her partner. So that means she had a generous. So there you have to put a right mark in that column. Okay. Then Nirav is also called a chatterbox. Chatterbox, always talkative. Okay. So Nirav, where is the Nirav here? So what is the quality he had? Brave, naughty, quiet, talkative, generous, studious. Yes, of course, he is a talkative. Write the mark there. Okay. Pranav recently saved a cat from drowning in the lake. So Pranav, he has saved the cat. Okay. So here, what's the quality he had? Brave quality. Megha is just the opposite of Nirav. So Nirav is a brave, more talkative. Nirav is a, who is here? That is Megha. So Megha, opposite means silent. She is always remained quiet. You can mark here quiet. Mithila, so always teases everyone. Okay, Mithila, she always teases everyone. So she is naughty girl. Okay. Then last is Ritu. Ritu is always seen with the book in hand. That means she had a quality of studious. Okay. So always she wants to, she likes to read books. Okay, that is studious. So this is about the poem that called Class Discussion, and the discussion about question answers and some of the activities and some of the work I had given to you. So do the work on your own. Okay. So this is about the today's class. I hope that you all are enjoyed and loved this group class discussion. So we will meet in the next class. Till then, all of you stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you.